Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing awesome and welcome back to the channel. What we have in today is a Buick Enclave for a full detail, and the owner does use this car to carpool. She also has a couple kids, so it's managed to get pretty beat up. There's a good bit of stains, most of them in the back seat that we have to take care of, but we've got a ton of work cut out for us, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So to get things started with this detail, we're first going to start off on the outside of the car. And my first impressions on this car is the owner probably does maintenance it a little bit when it comes to cleaning. You know, they probably drive it through the automatic car wash every once in a while and vacuum it out. But as far as shampooing carpets and going around all the cracks and crevices to clean it out with a detailing brush, this car probably hasn't seen that luxury in quite a while. But a quick tip when you're washing the outside of the vehicle, you've probably heard it already a lot, but you want to start off with the wheels first. And here, all I'm using is a Mcguire's wheel and tire cleaner, and I absolutely love this stuff for two reasons. The first reason is because it does a fantastic job at cutting through the grease and grime and brake dust that's built up on both the wheel and the tire, and it does it at an extremely fast pace. So, you know, in this industry, time is money, and you want a product that's going to work quickly. And then the second reason is the cost. For the value that you get, this product really can't be beat, because I mean, a bottle of this stuff can easily clean a set of wheels and tires on about 10 vehicles, and believe it or not, this product can actually be scooped up for only $6 or $7. And making my way to the inside of the car now, and I did get pretty lucky with this car because the customer went ahead and removed all their personal items as well as the larger pieces of trash. We obviously still have to vacuum before we can start shampooing the carpets, but I know a lot of you guys are probably going to hate me for this, but I actually like vacuuming carpets more than I like shampooing them. It's a lot quicker of a process, and I know on camera like carpet shampooing can seem like a pretty quick thing to do, but in reality it oftentimes ends up taking hours and hours to do, so it just kind of takes a toll on your body after you do it for a while. But I can definitely understand why a lot of you guys find it so satisfying to see the carpet shampooed. There are a couple people though that I see in the comment section that they like to see different things as well, like vacuuming, and some people actually like seeing the wheels and tires get cleaned. So go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below which process of detailing do you find to be the most satisfying. And moving on now to getting the carpets shampooed, we're going to start off with these floor mats first. And when it comes to shampooing carpeted floor mats, there's kind of two approaches that you can take. The first one being the one I'm using here, which is kind of the more traditional approach that you would use for carpets on the inside of the vehicle. The second one would be to use a pressure washer, and then once they're clean, extract any water that might be left over. To me, these carpets didn't really seem bad enough to have to use a pressure washer, so I kind of stuck to the more original approach. And right here, I'm just finishing up the last little section of carpet I had to do inside the vehicle. We still have to do the seats, but before we do that, I'm going to show you guys a quick shot of me emptying the extractor. And although these carpets didn't seem that bad, judging by the water that we poured out, there was definitely some dirt and grime that had to be removed. And my next step was to clean off all the hard surfaces such as the dash, the center console, door panels, things like that. You may be wondering why I'm going around with a vacuum first. The reason I'm doing this is because it makes my life easier in the next few minutes when I actually go in there and start wetting these surfaces down with an all-purpose cleaner. A lot of times dust and grime is harder to remove when it's wet, so if we can get to it while it's dry and get most of it cleaned up, that's going to be the best thing to do. And guys, I say this all the time, I'm by no means like a pro detailer who's super elite at doing this. I'm more like a hobbyist, kind of doing this for, fun. Most of the details that you see on this channel I actually do for free in my spare time for members of my community. And don't get me wrong, that's not to say that you can't learn anything from watching my videos. My point kind of is that there's still a lot for me to learn as well. So if you guys have any tips or tricks that I can use in these videos to make them better and to make myself a better detailer, please go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. So a couple quick final touches on this car. We're cleaning the windows off and we also have to apply some tire shine. But that's going to about wrap up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I really hope it was worth the watch. If you did enjoy the video and you want to help support the channel, then definitely leave a like and consider subscribing. If you're subscribed to the channel and you have your post notifications turned on, you'll be sure to never miss another detailing video that I upload. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday and you're not going to want to miss them. Enjoy some of the before and after shots coming up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.